Scalous hull can be divided for the calvaria and cranial base, basis cranii. Cranial base also is divided for the external cranial base, basis cranii externa, and internal cranial base, basis cranii interna. Internal cranial base is divided for the anterior cranial fossa, fossa cranii anterior, medial cranial fossa, fossa cranii media, and posterior cranial fossa, fossa cranii posterior. You should know border between calvaria and cranial base. I will talk very quickly, da? It is imaginary line, da? Which comes along or through. External occipital protuberance, protuberantia occipitalis externa, superior nuchal line, linea nuchae superior, base of the mastoid process, basis processus mastoideus, superior border of the external acoustic opening, margo superior porus acousticus internus. After that, this line divides for two. Laterally, it comes along the zygomatic arch, arcus zygomaticus, which is formed by zygomatic process of temporal bone, processus zygomaticus ossis temporalis, and temporal process of the zygomatic bone, processus temporalis ossis zygomatici. Medially, it comes along the infratemporal crest of the greater wing of the sphenoidal bone. Crista infratemporalis ale majoris ossis sphenoidalis. After that, this line again becomes the same, joined together. Frontal process of zygomatic bone, processus zygomaticus ossis, processus frontalis ossis zygomatici. Zygomatic process of the frontal bone, processus zygomaticus ossis frontalis, supraorbital margin, margo supraorbitale, and suture between the nasal bone and frontal bone, sutura nasofrontalis or frontonasalis, doesn't matter. And of course, the other side will be the same. So firstly, you should know border. After that, what should you know? We have three fossas. You should know borders between these fossas. Anterior cranial fossa is divided from the middle by the posterior border of the lesser wing of the sphenoidal bone, margo posterior ale minoris ossis sphenoidalis, and prechiasmatic groove, sulcus prechiasmaticus. Middle fossa with the posterior is divided by superior border of the pyramid of the temporal bone, margo superior pyramidis ossis temporalis, and dorsum celli. Dorsum celli. No, here the same. You understand it. Continues the same. So you know borders now. And after that, you should recognize here all bones which you studied. Because this is frontal bone, and these parts are the orbital parts of the frontal bone. So all structures you should recognize here. Understand? It will be frontal crest, cecum foramen. After that, juga cerebralia, impressiones digitate. This is ethmoidal bone. Crista galli, you may see here. Cribriform plate is located here, but it is broken. Lesser wings of this sphenoidal bone, cerebral surface, you may see here, because here we have a brain, cerebrum. After that, greater wings, cerebral surface, all openings, foramen rotundum, foramen ovale, foramen spinosum. Everything you should recognize here. This is body of the sphenoidal bone. So it is tuberculum, celli, fossa hypophysealis, dorsum celli, cella turcica, optic canal, prechiasmatic groove. Understand? Everything. The same about pyramid, anterior surface, posterior surface, the same about occipital bone. After that, you turn it, and again should recognize all bones. And again, you should find everything here, what you studied. New names for you, new names for you. First one, absolutely new, which you didn't meet. This one is foramen lacerum. Foramen lacerum. Next one, jugular foramen, foramen jugulare. Next one, incisive canal, canalis incisivum. Greater palatine canal, canalis palatinus major, and lesser palatine canal, canalis palatinus minor. All the other structures you should recognize. Okay? Goodbye.
Thank you. You're welcome.